What if something as simple as eating 2 boiled eggs daily could transform your health? Today, we're diving into new scientific research that reveals surprising benefits and some potential risks of making this a daily habit. You won't believe the impact it can have on your body. Nutritional profile of 2 boiled eggs. Before we dive into the benefits and risks, let's first take a look at the nutritional value of 2 boiled eggs. Calories: 154 kcal. Protein: 12.6 grams. Total fat: 10.6 grams. Saturated fat: 3.3 grams. Monounsaturated fat: 4 grams. Polyunsaturated fat: 1.4 grams. Cholesterol: 372 milligrams. Carbohydrates: 1.1 grams. Sugars: 1.1 grams. Dietary fiber: 0 grams. Sodium: 124 milligrams. Vitamin A: 520 IU. 10% of daily value. Vitamin B12: 1.1 mcg. 46% of daily value. Vitamin D: 87 IU. 22% of daily value. Folate: 46 mcg. 11% of daily value. Choline: 300 milligrams. 54% of daily value. Iron: 1.2 milligrams. 6% of daily value. Phosphorus: 190 milligrams. 15% of daily value. Selenium: 28 mcg. 51% of daily value. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and numerous essential vitamins and minerals, making them a highly nutritious food choice. Health benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs every day. High-quality protein for muscle health. One of the biggest advantages of eating eggs is the high-quality protein they provide. 2 boiled eggs contain about 12.6 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. The amino acids in eggs are highly bioavailable, meaning they are easily absorbed and utilized by your body. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to maintain muscle mass as you age, the protein from eggs can help support these goals. Boost brain health. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, with 2 boiled eggs providing about 300 mg, which covers over half of your daily requirement. Choline is critical for brain function, as it plays a key role in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate memory, mood, and intelligence. Studies have shown that adequate choline intake can improve cognitive performance and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Promote eye health. Eggs contain 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in the yolk. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Regular consumption of eggs has been associated with better vision and long-term eye health. Support heart health. While eggs were once vilified for their cholesterol content, new research has shifted the narrative. It turns out that for most people, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs may have heart protective benefits due to their content of good fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats. These fats help improve cholesterol profiles by increasing HDL, good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Aid in weight management. Eating 2 boiled eggs for breakfast can help with weight management by promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Eggs are rich in protein, which helps you feel full longer and reduces hunger cravings throughout the day. Studies show that people who consume eggs for breakfast tend to eat fewer calories during subsequent meals, aiding in weight loss efforts. Improve bone health. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D, with 2 boiled eggs providing about 22% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Combined with the phosphorus content in eggs, which also supports bone health, Eating eggs regularly can help keep your bones strong and healthy. Support immune function. The combination of vitamins and minerals in eggs, including selenium, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, helps to boost the immune system. Selenium, in particular, is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body from infections and inflammation. Consuming eggs can help you maintain a robust immune system, protecting you from various illnesses and infections. Help maintain healthy skin and hair. The vitamins and minerals in eggs, especially biotin, vitamin A, and vitamin E, contribute to healthy skin and hair. Biotin is known to support hair strength and growth, while vitamin A helps maintain healthy skin by promoting cell regeneration. Regular consumption of eggs can lead to noticeable improvements in the appearance and health of your skin and hair. Support healthy pregnancy. For pregnant women, eggs provide vital nutrients such as choline, folate, and vitamin B12 that are essential for fetal development. Choline, in particular, is crucial for brain and nervous system development in the fetus, while folate helps prevent neural tube defects. Eating eggs during pregnancy can help ensure that both the mother and baby are receiving essential nutrients for optimal health. Regulate blood sugar levels. Eggs are low in carbohydrates, but high in protein and healthy fats, making them an excellent food choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. The protein in eggs slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming boiled eggs as part of a balanced diet can help regulate blood sugar and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Increase energy levels. Eggs are rich in B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production. B vitamins help convert food into usable energy, ensuring that your body has the fuel it needs to function optimally throughout the day. Eating 2 boiled eggs for breakfast can provide a steady release of energy, keeping you alert and focused. Reduce risk of stroke. Several studies have suggested that consuming eggs may lower the risk of stroke. One large-scale study found that people who ate 1 egg per day had a significantly reduced risk of hemorrhagic stroke, which is the second most common type of stroke. The combination of antioxidants, healthy fats, and cholesterol regulation from eggs likely contributes to this protective effect. Support healthy aging. As we age, maintaining muscle mass, bone strength, and cognitive function becomes increasingly important. The high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals in eggs can support these key aspects of healthy aging. Regular consumption of eggs has been shown to preserve muscle mass in older adults, protect brain function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging, such as heart disease and osteoporosis. Risks of eating 2 boiled eggs every day. While eggs provide numerous health benefits, there are a few potential risks to be aware of, particularly if consumed in excess or under certain conditions. Cholesterol concerns for some individuals. Although eggs have been largely cleared of their negative reputation regarding cholesterol, they still contain a substantial amount of dietary cholesterol, 372 milligrams in 2 boiled eggs. For most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol from eggs has little impact on blood cholesterol levels. However, people with certain medical conditions, such as familial hypercholesterolemia or those who are sensitive to dietary cholesterol, may experience an increase in LDL, bad cholesterol, after consuming eggs. It's important for these individuals to monitor their cholesterol levels and consult with a healthcare provider before consuming eggs regularly. Potential allergic reactions. Egg allergies are more common in children, but can persist into adulthood for some individuals. Symptoms of an egg allergy can range from mild hives, nasal congestion, to severe anaphylaxis. If you have a known egg allergy or experience any symptoms after consuming eggs, it's important to avoid them and seek medical advice. Additionally, eggs are a common food allergen, and individuals with other food allergies may be more prone to developing an egg allergy. Risk of salmonella contamination. Raw or undercooked eggs can carry a risk of salmonella contamination, a bacteria that can cause foodborne illness. While hard-boiled eggs are generally safe to eat, it's crucial to store and cook eggs properly to reduce the risk of salmonella. Make sure to buy eggs from a reputable source, refrigerate them at the correct temperature, and ensure that they are fully cooked before consumption.